What is up guys, it's me the Bhargav, back from the Techipedia. Today in this video I'll be showing you how getting the Android 11 and the Realme 2.0 update on the Realme 6, that is RMX 2001. Now sorry for the late video, but for the fact that I just received this update 3 days back and I'll be just updating it to the newer version. Now I do not know what happened. Realme actually started updating it back in September, but then I never received the update. But then I had to go to the official website, and then when I came back to the update section, it showed me the update. I do not know if any of you guys have faced this issue. If you have, then just follow the procedure and you'll be done. With that being said, I'll be just fast forwarding the process. It took me around 1 hour to actually install it, and I'll just show you the feedback of where the changes code, and also like the bugs and should you update or not. With that being said, I have also made previously more tips and tricks videos on Realme 6 and other devices. Make sure you do check them out. Link will be in the I button and also in the description box below, so that you can also apply them to your device. So with that being said, Realme 6 came out of the box with Android 10, and it's very disappointing to see Android 11 coming this late. And also when you see the update list for the Realme 3.0, Android 12, you do not find Realme 6, which is surprisingly more disappointing. With that being said, we need to look out for and custom ROMs, and I am already started looking out. So I hope I'll make those changes very soon. With that being said, our update is done. I just put in my password, but then there was no tick or OK button to get the password. I just had to blankly put on the point, and then it was done. With that being said, we come to the new kind of notification. It's not completely gray, it's a rounded, and it looks funky. Not the best, but then not worst also. It looks good as changed. Okay, so here I'm just giving the permissions that it requires. And with that being said, the notification center, yep, looks rounded, something different, not your previous normal Windows. It's Android 10 update, and here it is. It looks revamped. It's not completely like Android 11. You have tons of Realme's customizations put in, so definitely, as you can see. So here I go to the personalization, which is a new added menu, and as I can see, there is like you can change to squares, circle, rounded, and or other stuffs in the notification panel. So this is something different. Again, I probably saw these in the Resurrection Remix OS. Also you can change the font. Here it's Roboto Real Choice. The Roboto is the default one. I changed it to the other one. It looks great. Now this is the accent color, like the notification and other stuffs. It would be changed. So this is something I have found in other custom ROMs, but then they have implemented this in the OS. This is very good. This is the Realme Lab, where they keep on updating their new functions and stuffs. With that being said, okay, so this is it. Again, I have been facing great bugs, great lags and stuffs. As you can see, as soon as I updated to the Android 11, I had another update which fixes the bug. I do not know whether it completely fixes it or not, but then I have to update it and check out. With that being said, the update is very laggy, and without this update, the current one with the 154 MB, it's quite impossible to use the device. It's very laggy, it's not responsive, and it feels like it's a quite some old device. Once you update it to the latest one, it feels snappy, but then there are bugs that are there. Now here you can see Android 11, Realme UI 2.0. Now there were some devices, the latest Realme devices, where you can expand the RAM, up to 2 GB. Not I even don't know how are they doing it. It's not physically possible, but here it is. Also, my storage had increased. Like I had around I had around 4 gigs available, but now it's 15 gigs available right now, and it's quite huge. It's quite huge. Now here is the Realme custom launcher. The custom launcher, like they said that it would be stock Android experience and stuff. Not like that. It's the default Realme UI. Nothing changed here. The camera, everyone was talking about it. The zoom one, this looks dope as hell. Definitely, this looks dope. So definitely. I do not think like I've tested the camera. Nothing much changed with the software. Camera software do not have enhanced photo, but there are minor tweaks here and there. Like you can see the animation. There's a sweet animation here. Maybe most of you could not notice it, but then if you do notice it, then this is something great. The lock screen notification and stuff, everything is changed. Looks good, not bad. It's good for a change. Now there are some stock applications installed, which is again disappointing, and definitely these are the reasons which would lead you to custom ROM. Some majority of them are uninstallable, but yes, there are 1-2 like the Realme Pay or something like that is not uninstallable. Here it is. Okay, so to follow WhatsApp, I have been facing issues even after the latest update. So I installed update on the WhatsApp via the Play Store. I thought maybe it's issue for the application, but no, it's not issue for the application. It's something that this is providing. Now here you can see minor here tweaks over there, like when you pull up the dial pad, the loudspeaker, the icons are changed, the animations have been tweaked, looks different. If when you're using a phone for quite some time, you know what are the changes and what are not the changes. Also, when you are using a default application, the pop-up menu, those have been changed. Now before actually pulling up the update, the 184 MB one, before pulling it up, it was something that, like, whenever I had switched to WhatsApp or any other application, it would revert me back to the Realme launcher, but then it was fixed via the next update. Now here is the thing, when I'm using WhatsApp, there is a time that it lags. There's a time that when you want to click picture via WhatsApp, it doesn't click, it gets stuck to black screen. So here it is. There are bugs and Realme haven't fixed it, and I'm really disappointed. Since they had time, they have released the update in September. They had had beta tests of these updates for quite some long time, and even after that you have such major bugs which are not really acceptable. Nevertheless, the Android 11 update has been quite fruitful and I'm really enjoying it, but I'll be hoping to update to Android 12 as soon as any of the official Realme custom ROM comes out. Also, here's another thing, when you type on the keyboard, I cannot go backsliding from the keyboard. I need to go to the top screen to go back, which I do not like personally. I had a habit and I had to change. The light wallpapers have been added, which is a great thing. Overall, I am satisfied, but there are many points to look out for Realme. If you like this video, do share it with your friends. I hope to see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye, take care, watch out for more Realme videos, and also make sure to get updated to the new Realme 2.0 and Android 11. With that being said, it's me signing off.